Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on fixing pin issues with the ASUS GU603Z. In this tutorial, we will cover everything you need to know to diagnose and resolve these problems effectively. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by powering off your ASUS GU603Z and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Once it is powered down, carefully remove the back cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of the screws as you will need them later. With the back cover removed, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any visible signs of damage or loose connections around the pins. If you notice any dust or debris, use the compressed air to gently clean the area. This can help improve connectivity and prevent future issues. Next, focus on the pin connections. If you see any bent or broken pins, you may need to use the tweezers to carefully straighten them. Be gentle, as excessive force can cause further damage. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice tailored to your situation. Once you've addressed any pin issues, it's time to reassemble your device. Align the back cover carefully and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling or movement. Now, before you power it back on, take a moment to double-check your work. Ensure that all connections are secure and that there are no leftover screws or components. If you're feeling uncertain about the repair, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. After confirming everything is in place, plug your ASUS GU603Z back in and wire it on. Monitor the device to see if the pin issues have been resolved. If the problem persists, it may be time to consider a more in-depth repair. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. In summary, fixing pin issues on your ASUS GU603Z can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your device issues. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No house, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.